True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in St. Elizabeth, November the 15th, in the Black River town area. So this what happened. Hurricane Melissa affect this town very bad. So I'm gonna see if I can give you a full tour of Black River town in St. Elizabeth. So let us cross the bridge together. Yeah man, nobody cannot cross it, but we're gonna cross it today. Thanks for stopping by on this channel. If you're new to this channel, kind of subscribe, share, like if you learn something about our beautiful island Jamaica. Still nice same way man. See them show fish and everything, you know. Fish a catch. Yeah, have a big snook in the hand there. Man having dinner. So we're right close to Hendricks Wharf, also to the tax office, tax administration, Jamaica Black River. Yeah man, see that? Heading towards courts. There is no more courts. No more cocoa bread factory. No Black River do one of the best cocoa bread. So there's no more cocoa bread. Like all them cocoa bread machine get damaged and everything. But Jamaica gonna build back again with people. Don't worry yourself. That'll take some time, but build back even better, you know? No few lives. Lost few lives down here, but still have to give praise and thanks same way. Could be worse, it's worse, but if you understand. So everybody are clean up for them little territory. See if them can start back something. But you know, when you build them place, you have to have your papers, you know, so don't know what's gonna happen. You hear say, if you don't have your papers for this place, you cannot build. So let's see what happened for Black River. They say St. Elizabeth is supposed to be the next city. I don't know what's gonna happen. So that's the parish church on North Street. Yes man, not a good sight in Black River, my people. It's so devastating down here. People out and about looking for something. If you wish, you can send some love to our Jamaican people. Support, they really need some help in this area. A lot of family members need help. A lot of family members. So we just need to support them. Yeah, I know people say they want Starlink food and everybody want everything right now. They really look at it, so they want Starlink. They want to communicate with them family. Just like how you would want Starlink to other people would want it too. So don't look at it and say people want Starlink, you know. But everything make up life. Everybody want to live nice and comfortable too. Anything one you can support them with, support. Don't look at it say they want Starlink, but everybody want to do some form of communication to them family. Because enough people can reach out to them family if you get something, you know. And them family can't reach out to them. Yeah, so this is the Black River Market. Want to come get no good sweet pepper and no cabbage and no callaloo. There is no more Black River Market. Yeah, man, heading towards the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Black River Fire Station. Let's see. Still up and running, same way. Big up all the firefighters, them. Firefighters, them go out in the storm, full 100. Search and rescue team. Yeah, man, so this is the fire department. Still up and running, you know. I heard that they flood out, but them still giving their service to our beautiful Jamaican people. Yes, they do. So I'm going to try giving a full tour of Black River. As I told you before, it's November 15. A lot of things move off of the ground already. So just keep an update. And show you day by day if we can. Or every another every. Yes, St.Elizabeth Pharmacy still operating. No joke. This is it, my people. This is it. Nothing normal. We still love Jamaica same way. No matter what, we still love Jamaica. Jamaica we born and grow. No matter where we come from, we're still proud to be a Jamaican. Other country get hit same way, they build back. So we are going to do the same and build back same way. Still have vendors out there hustling, sell them grown product and things same way. Yeah, so we're going to take it back to the police station area and head towards the Black River Hospital. Yep. Remember them say first news we heard that the bridge was damaged, nobody can cross the bridge and stuff. But you see, you have to come someplace for yourself and view the situation before you take information the wrong way, you know? On your right, you have the Methodist Church, Black River. So all of the Methodist people, them, yes, this is the Methodist Church. I used to come to the church. I come here about 2 times. Come to a rally at the Methodist Church. So if you need to support the Black River Methodist Church, you need to reach out to them in the Black River area and give some support, because that is our place of our worship. Yeah. Yeah, if you know Black River like inside out, if you recognize some building, there's a few bedding and stuff. Come with you say, oh, I shan't tell you, brother. Up and come up and go out down. Yes, man. This is it, my people. This is it. This is it. We don't have no more courthouse. No more every document gone out of them place there. So I'll go on, you know. So you see you have different trucks in moving out stuff. So big up everybody who helped build back Jamaica. Watch your ride at Fire Reid. Watch your ride. So if you know Black River, you know the Black River is a one way. So no, if you know Black River, some people will take the other road. So we're heading towards the Black River Park area, going towards Black River Hospital. Yeah, and right in front of us, we're heading towards the Sagicor building. Yeah, everything down in Black River. This is nothing good down here. Things that we never really dream about say would happen. It do happen. We just all need to keep safe and pray for our beautiful island Jamaica. So this is the road take you all to the Waterloo guest house. There is no more Waterloo guest house. All of the breadfruit tree could be a landmark. You only see the breadfruit tree root. This is a tour of Black River. Take another look at time and come down, yes. We're getting there. This place is no joke. Take your time, bossy, and come down. Look at the courthouse. Wow. No more courthouse. So this is the courthouse right here. Wow. Is this real? Look at the courthouse. Wow, look at this. This is nothing normal. Parish council. You know, say all of them building plan they mash up. So anybody have them building plan here? Okay. Yeah, there's a patch of water right here, but I can cross it. I crossed it yesterday, so I know I can go across it. Look at the beautiful sea. Wow. Can Black River be the next city? What we think after rebuild? This is the library on your right. This is the library, the parish library. Heading towards St. Teresa. A lot of people go to St. Teresa school, you know. And there is no more St. Teresa school. Taking our little target over there. Everything gone at Black River. So, a question. I don't know who can answer this one, but where all these people were? Wonder if they may evacuate from the building or what? I don't know. Because what happened, well, there's no body, dead bodies around or anything. But look at these buildings. Collapse. Because some people, when we used to start back coming out, we don't really move out of our home because we say this is we born, this is we grow, we're comfortable because a lot of storm passed us already and nothing really happened. But this one, something different. I remember here, so we used to come here to come catch fish. It's a different look. The people working on decking back their roof. Doctor office must. Everybody out a job. Everybody. So man, a section of the Black River Hospital is gone. Wow. Clinic, everything mash up. Good man, just picking up somebody and leave. Yes, so this is the Black River Hospital. You see the roof. Emergency part up and running same way, but upstairs section, all of the windows them leak out. No windows don't leave. No, nothing normal in the Black River people. Nothing normal. Yeah, as I say, you have to come on the ground, see what take place. Yes. Television Jamaica, just look at us now. TVJ. Yeah, see TVJ in this area. I might get some footage. Yes, my people. Yeah, you have a water station down here. They filter the water from the sea so people can get water to drink. Yes, they have a team down here filtering the water from the sea, free water right here. Yes, look, this is the station right here. And I'm gonna filter the water so people can get water to drink. Yeah, they're right over there filtering the water. Well, thanks for everybody who come out and support Jamaica in times of need. We all need it. Look on them house here, my people. KFC standing. Yeah, people can't go over the KFC same way, but don't think they have any current there. Are people going to KFC now? Okay, look up upon them building here with people. This is the Black River High School, going towards to the Black River High School. We have a lot of nursing station down there. That's where they do the airlifting if anybody needs to move. So we're at the Black River High School. This is where the nursing station them there. I think them so this is the Black River High School. Please park face south. Here you have to need some medical assistance, so you come here. The nurses are over here. This is some nurse station, some people from, yep. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.